All right, welcome back to my channel. It's Faith here, your web doctor, and in this video I want to walk you through step by step on how to create an e-commerce website for free in order to sell your products or your services. Okay, and we'll be using selar.co for it. So you just come to your browser and type selar.co. It will directly take you to this interface like this. All right, so what we're going to do now is simply click on start selling with Selar here, or you click the button above here. So let's quickly do that. Let's create an account. So we're going to click on start selling. So as soon as it opens a page like this, what you do is enter your name. Let me enter my name. All right, enter your last name with, let me put digital. So it's up to you. Then I'm going to enter my email. So I just entered my email. I will pick a password. For now, I'm going to choose this password here. Then I click on sign up for a Selar account. All right, as soon as that is done, you can actually go straight to the point by using your Google account. All right, whichever way you want it, it's all good. All right, so what do? We click on create an account and wait for it to load. All right, so here is a quick questions that it will ask you. I'm a creator, so you can pick any of these. Let me say I'm a creator. Continue. You can choose any of them. So you select your gender. Let me select female. Date of birth. You can select anything. You can select anything. You can decide to do it much later. So let me quickly select my date of birth. So let me pick any date of my choice. It's not really my actual date of birth. Let me just pick anything here, and then I click save. All right, so it said I should go and verify my email. All right, so they sent me an email. Let me go to my email and quickly confirm my email. All right, so it has opened. Click on confirm email. So as soon as that is done, as you can see, successful or success, email successfully verified. All right, so here you have two things to do. Here is either you add your bank details or you add your products. So you're going to add an account detail where your money will be remitted. So I can choose access bank, account number 0000000, whatever you want. All right, you have to verify your account details. Let me add something. Let me write 0. So verify my account details. It has been verified. I click on continue. So as soon as my bank account is set up, the next thing I will do here is to add products. So we're going to add our first product. So if you look at this interface, you can see that you can sell your physical product, you can sell your digital product, tickets, subscription and all that. So these ones that have pro here are pro. You need to pay for you to access them. All right, but other ones are free. The physical product is free, digital product is free, and subscription and the other service is also free. You can decide to run a coaching program where you just create an account and people will book with Selar. So we're going to go over to digital product. Let's say we want to sell our ebook. Click on next. Then it will open an interface like this. This is where you're going to enter the details of what you are selling. Number one is that you're going to upload an image here, and that image must be 300 by 300 pixels. All right, so what do? You go to Canva. Okay, just quickly go to Canva and create that. All right, so we're going to do that quickly. So I want to create from scratch because I want to enter the size myself. All right, so we're going to go over to custom size here. Click on custom size and wait for it to load. So we're going to add 300 by 300. Remember, Selar gave us the specification here, 300 by 300 pixels. So we're going to enter that 300 by 300 pixels. All right, create a design. So we just want to create a cover for our ebook that we want to sell. So let me give this a background color. So I'm going to give it this background color, and then let me import an ebook we want to sell. Let's say I want to sell a particular ebook. Let me upload from my files. Let me see if I can get an ebook here to sell. All right, okay, let's say I want to sell this ebook. All right, so I want to upload it. All right, so this is my ebook I want to sell. Let's say this is an ebook I want to sell. Let's make it visible enough. We can decide to add download element to it. Just make it cache, download icon. So download now. I want to add an element saying download now. So this is optional anyways. You can decide to add it, you can decide not to add it. So it's up to you to decide. So I can just put something like this. Put something like this, download now, or you just leave it as it is. All right, so I'm going to download this, or let me change the background for this. Let me change the background to something. Let's say this is the background I want to work with, and I want to make it visible enough. So this one, I can give this one a white color, give it a white color, download. All right, so we're going to do what? Click on share. I want to download this so that we can use it on Selar. All right, click on download. So we're downloading PNG. So let's wait for it to download. All right, it's been downloaded. So let's go over to Selar. So want to click on this drag and drop. All right, you can just import it into Selar. So as soon as that is uploaded, all right, the next thing you need to do is to write the name of your product. Let's say how to make money online. So that's the name of our product. How much are we selling the product? Let's say we're selling the product 5,000 naira. All right, so here you enter the description of the product you're selling. It does this, it does that. You just enter them there. Then pick any, let's pick any category of our choice. Business, subcategory, let's say the category commerce, anything. You can pick anything there. So you now come to this product section. Product type, it's a digital product. All right, so if you want to enable pre-order on your store, what you do is just to click on pre-order here. All right, and then enter the date. Pick a date when it will be available. Let's say it will be available next week. Then you enter a date here, but we don't want this product to be on pre-order. We want to sell it right away. Pre-order means you want people to pay for it before you launch the product. All right, so here you come to this section. All right, do you want to give buyers? You select the way you want people to access the product, the ebook you are selling. What this one means is that if you click on downloadable file and you upload any PDF file, it means that the person who buys this course will do what? Download it on their devices and then read it. But if you select read online only, it means that the person cannot download the ebook. The person will only do what? Read it online. All right, so that is the meaning of this. So know what you're doing. And then this is the maximum size, okay, and this is the maximum size for this one. So whichever one you feel. Let's say I want them to download this one. Just click on here. I want them to download this file. This is the one I want them to download. All right, so I want them to make payment and download this. But if you don't want people to download, you want to redirect them to a particular place. Let's say your product is hosted on Drive. You can actually click on automatically redirect people. All right, so what you do is just to copy that to your website or your Google Drive link. Come and paste it here. Redirect here, www.faithamole.com. So it simply means that once people make payments, they will be redirected to my website to either download it or something. So that's what it means. So you either select to give them access, or you want to redirect them elsewhere, all right, to download it. So that's basically what you will do. As soon as that is done, the next thing you will do is, let me remove the website. You want to give them access to it. What do? You click on create. This is create. Then there is something I want to show you once again. There is a particular setting I want to make you understand. This is the create button here, but I want to show you something here. You need to click here. If you want to see other things, click on this hamburger icon here, click on this place, go to settings. All right, store currencies. All right, so we want to enable different currencies. We don't just want to sell only in naira. All right, so we want a situation where all these things are applied. So we just update this one. So we want to sell in other currencies too. And then this first one here, custom editable currency, it simply means that if you enable these things on your store, right, you have to set your prices individually. All right, let's say your ebook is 5,000 in naira, but you don't want seller to automatically convert that 5,000 naira to dollar. All right, what you want to sell at a different price. That's what it means. This particular settings here will help you sell at different prices. You want to sell that ebook for 5,000 naira, but then you want people who are outside Nigeria to pay, who are paying in dollars, to pay $10 for it, $20 for it. This is where you enable it. Okay, you're going to enable all of this. Let's say you want to enable all. If you want to enable all, you enable, or you want to just set your prices individually. Let me show you what it does. Let's activate. Let's say I want to activate this three, and then we'll go back to our product creation stage. Let's go to our product creation stage. So let's see. Okay, let me add a product. All right, select a digital product. All right, so when you come here, can you see that initially we only saw naira here, but now we have also seen this. All right, we have also seen this here. So now what do? We will set our price. Let's say our ebook cost 5,000 naira, but we don't want seller to convert 5,000 naira to people who are buying in dollar. All right, that would be a kind of shortage to us. We want to sell at a different price. I want to sell this one for $10, because if you convert 5,000 naira into dollars, there is no way it will give you $10. All right, so you want to say, let's say people are buying with pounds, want them to pay 15 pounds. The same ebook, or you're selling it at different, then Ghana cedis, you want to give them something like, let's say 80. So this is just the prices you want to set for your ebook. I do this always. I set different prices because of, location differences. So that is it. Then if you want a situation whereby after uploading your products you have a price cancelled, you will enable it here. All right, so this is the sales price, this is the original price. You can put 10,000 naira here. It simply means that the price of this ebook is 10,000 naira, but we are selling it for 5,000 naira. This one is $20, we are selling it. These are just marketing strategies. All right, and this particular one is, let's say 25, and we're selling it $15. This one is 100, we're giving you discount. All right, so that's what it means. So at the in the front end, all right, people will see that the product is discounted, so it gives them that impulse to pay immediately. So let's drag that image again. We couldn't finish up because I want to show you that important settings. So how to make money online, that's what we're doing. Enter your details here, but I always advise people, first of all, put your account details, because people want to transfer into account details, so they will see it first. Then you write the details of your product here. Then you select a category, business, subcategory. You can pick anything, it don't really matter. So we don't want pre-order, we want to give our buyers instant access to download this file as soon as they make payment. So what do? I can decide to upload this, any file of your choice. All right, so that is that. Then you click on create. It looks like something, okay, description is missing, so let me just add something. So this ebook contains how to make money online. Let me just put that. This ebook contains how to make money online. So as soon as that is done, we'll click on create. All right, let's see how it goes. So our store is live. Can you see that seller has given us a link to our store, which we are going to copy. As soon as we copy this link, we're going to give it to people so that they will click on that link, come to seller, make payment, and seller will remit our money into our bank account free of charge. That is why seller is free. It helps you create a storefront free of charge. Can you see our ebook? Can you see our ebook now? Our ebook is live. So if you click on buy now button, you will have to make payments. All right, check out, enter your payment details, and the person will pay now, and you make your sales. All right, so that's how to do it. You have to set your store currency. Let's go back to settings again. Whatever you want to set on your store, just come to settings. You'll be able to do that. All right, so let's come to settings. So I want to set my store in naira. All right, just go to click on this drop down and set it in naira, so that your store will be, your store currency will be in naira. Okay, so anybody anywhere can purchase on your store based on the prices you've set for your products. All right, so even if you're coming from Ghana, you pay with Ghana cedis. Even if you're coming, you're in UK, you can pay with your pounds. All right, so that's how it is. So this is exactly how to create a free online store to sell your products online. If this helps you, please click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos like this.